Okay, the program I decided to use is called Paint.net, and what I'm going to show you how to do is take a black and white photo, add a little bit of color to it. It's actually something a lot of photographers use, and they charge a lot of money for it. But if you can learn how to do it this way, it's a lot easier. Paint.net is a free tool. It's a free download. You can download it and go ahead and get started with something. Let's see. I'm going to open up a picture. I downloaded it from the internet just to show you. You have a cute little baby here with blue eyes and a blue shirt, and what we're going to do is we're going to change this to a black and white photo and add just a little bit of color back to it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to duplicate your source photo right here. I always duplicate it, and then I'll double click over here and rename the original photo so I don't mess with that. I'll call it original to make sure I don't mess with my source photo. Okay, so this is going to be our background level. I want to duplicate it one more time. And what I'm going to do once the new duplicate layer is done, I'm going to come over here to the top where it says adjustments, click adjustment, and just change that to black and white. Now sometimes when you use source photos like this, the white balance on the camera is going to be a little bit off, so you're going to get kind of like a whitewashed photo. So I'm going to add a little color back into that. Okay, I like using curves instead of anything else, and I'll just pick anywhere along the luminosity line and drag down. It should make it a little bit darker. There we go. That's nice. We'll just leave that just like that. Okay, now this kid has big blue eyes. I like those eyes to stand out. Now, a lot of tutorials will show you to go into to change the color of the eyes and add color back to the eyes and photoshopping. Well, this is going to be the easiest way to do it. If you'll notice, we have layers over here. The way to describe layers is just think of it as two different pieces of paper. Now this black and white layer, which I'm going to rename black and white, just like that. Okay, if I could type, and white, like that, is on the top. So what the photo that's right beneath it is already in color. So instead of adding color back into this black and white photo, what I'm going to do is I am going to just take my eraser and I'm going to hit control and scroll in so I can get a good picture of the eye. That's good. I'm going to slide this over just a little bit. Slide it up. Now you can control your brush size just by using the brackets. I'll make my brush size a little bigger, and I'm just going to erase the black and white over the pupils of the eyes. That's all I'm going to do. You could take your time with this. I'm trying to go a little bit faster so this doesn't take all day. And it's not going to be perfect because, like I said, this is just a tutorial. Alright, there we go. Just like that. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and control and zoom out a little bit. Let's come over to this other eye, and we're going to take the black and white off of that and just leave the color blue eye in the background. Okay, just like that. There we go. And then we'll zoom out, and we got the blue eye coming through on the black and white photo. I mean, you could go through if you wanted to, and if you wanted to, you could actually make the paintbrush a lot bigger, and you can take some of the blue out of the shirt if you wanted to. Okay, I don't really want to do that. I just want to leave the eyes just like that. Okay, and that is how you bring color into a black and white photo in Paint.net. Now, before you're done, you want to make sure you take your picture and you want to merge everything down, and you have one photo. Okay, and you save it. You want to hit File, Save As, and make sure you give it a different name. Okay, that way you don't destroy your original photo. Okay, and that's how you do that. Hopefully that will be able to help you, save you some money, have fun with your Paint.net.